Hi you guys, today I'll be replacing my switches on my keyboard. I have the Glorious GMMK TKL, and the switches I have are the KL Pro Purple. These are tactile switches, as you can hear, and I'll be replacing them with the Gateron Milky Yellow Pro. I have to remove the two pins in here, the two plastic legs on the sides, because this keyboard only works with 3-pin switches, so yeah, I'll have to remove them. Okay, as you can see, these are the switches. These are the KL Pro Purple. They are tactile, and these are the Gateron Milky Yellow Pro linear switches. Okay, so I'll also replace my staffs, and as you can tell, they rattle a lot, so I'll replace them with this ones. These are the Durock staffs. I bought them on Amazon, and I'll leave the link on the description, as well as the link of the new switches. These switches are pretty affordable, so alright, I already removed the caps and I did a little bit of cleanup on my keyboard, and I'm gonna start replacing the switches. Alright, now I'm going to be lubing my staffs, and I'll be using Super Lube. It's a kind of grease, and I'm not going to be lubing my switches. The switches, the Gateron Milky Yellow Pro, they already come pre-lubed, so I'm not going to be lubing them. Okay, so I ran into a problem with the Durock stabilizers. The housing didn't fit my keyboard, so I had to use the stem of the Durock and the original housing of the staffs that I had on my keyboard. I only replaced the stems and used the original housings. So yeah, that's what I did. And as you can hear, these are the stems. They're a bit noisy, but better than before, definitely. So I'm going to start putting on the new switches. Alright, so now that I have my switches installed, make sure the keyboard works before installing the caps. In this case, mine works, and now that I know that they work, I'll proceed installing the caps. Alright, you guys, this is the final product. It's not the best sounding keyboard, but I mean, it is a pretty affordable keyboard and affordable switches, and I think it sounds nice. Thank you for watching.